Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker and test that the power is off before working around outlets. Failure to turn off electrical power prior to installation of the guide light can result in electrical shock, fires, and/or death. Hey everyone, my name's Sean and I'm with the Snap Power team, and today we're going to be discussing a few reasons why you may be having difficulty installing your guide light over the outlet. For beginners, I want to talk a little bit about how the guide light works and where it gets its power from. To start, the guide light's been designed to fit over two standard outlets. These are the standard duplex outlet or the standard decor outlets. Located on the sides of these outlets are screw terminals, 2 on each side. These are electrified, and this is where the guide light gets its power from. Located on the back side of the guide light are 2 power prongs. As the guide light is installed over the outlet, these power prongs slide around both sides of the outlet and make contact with those screw terminals, getting its power. It looks something like this. Installation issues almost always occur as a result of the way the outlet was installed previously. Anything that obstructs the passage of the prongs around the sides of the outlet may cause you problems when attempting to install the guide light. Before attempting to correct any of these issues, be sure that the power has been turned off to the outlet. Now let's get started with the troubleshooting process. The first thing we want to do is to make sure that you're attempting to install the guide light over a compatible outlet. Remember that the SnapRaise guide light is only compatible with the standard duplex or the standard decor outlets. If you're attempting to install it over a non-compatible outlet, it will not work. Let's take a look at a few examples of a non-compatible outlet. The GFCI outlet, which can be easily identified by the test and reset buttons located between the receptacles. A USB charging port and plug combination, a light switch and plug combination, and a light switch itself. Remember, the SnapRaise guide light will not work with these outlets. Now that you're completely sure that you're attempting to install your guide light over a compatible outlet, let's take a look at a few other things that may be giving you some problems. Okay, what we're looking at here is a scenario where the outlet box has been partially covered up by sheetrock or sheetrock mud. In this situation, it can sometimes be difficult to get the prongs on the back of the guide light between the receptacle and the sheetrock. The first thing you want to do when encountering this situation is to first check and make sure that there is enough clearance between the sheetrock and the receptacle to get the guide light in. If this is the case, carefully guide your prongs between the sheetrock and the outlet. Once the prongs have cleared the sheetrock, go ahead and place the guide light all the way against the outlet and insert the screw. Now, if you're still unable to get the guide light completely over the outlet because the sheetrock is too obtrusive, this can be easily solved by trimming away the excess sheetrock or sheetrock mud. If you're unsure of how to do this, please consult an electrician. Another situation you may encounter when attempting to install your guide light over the outlet is a recessed outlet box. A recessed outlet box looks something like this and is caused by when the outlet is installed further outside of the outlet box than what is typical. In this scenario, what might happen during the installation of the guide light is the face of the outlet might cause these power prongs to push outward, thus causing them to hang up on the outlet box, not allowing you to install it completely over the outlet. It looks something like this. If this is the case, it can be easily solved. The way to do this is to take the 2 power prongs and insert them directly to the left and right-hand side of the upper yoke attached to the outlet. Once you've done this, slide the guide light down the outlet into place. Put in the screws and it's installed. What we're looking at here is another situation that might be giving you issues while you're attempting to install the guide light completely over the outlet. In this case, the screw terminals on both sides of the outlet have been completely unscrewed and are further away from the outlet than normal. When this happens, you can sometimes push the guide light in a manner that causes the screws to butt up against the edge of the guide light prongs. Because of this, you obviously won't be able to get it all the way over the outlet. Looks something like this. To solve this, simply pay close attention and maneuver the prongs in a way around the screws so that they don't get hung up. Once you've cleared the ends of the screws, insert the guide light completely over the outlet.
that.
Thank you so much for watching this troubleshooting video. We hope it helped. Remember that each situation will be unique to the individual user. If you're still having trouble getting your guide light to work properly, please reach out to us directly. Thank you.